A very important topic in English language is preposition, and today we will learn few tricks so that we can easily see the options and write the answer in the examination. For first, so that we will give preposition of time. In preposition of time there are two types. One is clock, time is clock, and one is calendar. In time, in clock we have hour, minutes and seconds. In hour we use at. Suppose I will tell that I will meet you at 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock is a specific time, or the bell rang at 6 p.m. 30 minutes. At 6 p.m. 30 minutes is a specific time, so at specific time you use at. Now in calendar there are four things: years, month, days and event. In years and month we use on. Whenever there will be year, in 1947 India got independence. In 1947, Second World War started in 1945. Specific year is there in, then it will be in 1947. Month, my journey will start on, journey to Goa will start on Sunday. On Sunday. Here on is used because Sunday is a day. In will use in for years and on is used for day. For example, the exam will be in November. The final exam will be in November. In here November is a month, so you will is in. Date, the exam, my exam will, your exam will start 5th in on 5th November. Here on is a day, specific day, so on will be used. Now we will come more use of in and at. In is used for places, preposition of places. When there is a closed surface we will use in. He is in the library. He is in the library at the school. He is in the library at the school. Library is a closed surface. At the school means school is a place. School is the place. At the school has no boundary. School is an open place. But in the school it is in the library. Library is a enclosed space. So in the library and at the school. Your birthday will be celebrated at Cafe Coffee Day. At Cafe Coffee Day. At Cafe Coffee Day. Coffee Day is a specific place, so you are using at Cafe Coffee Day. Now we use the preposition on. On is used whenever we use it on the surface. The cat is on the table. The book is kept on the table. The cat jumped on the table from the ground. On the table means from the ground on the table. Now the next preposition is with. Preposition with is used for sensation or feelings. Means I am happy with him. My sensation is I am feeling happy with him. So with is used. When we use sensation means when if I come late to my house, my father will be furious with me. My father is furious. My father is anxiety with me. Means he is anxious with me because he have tension. Then whenever there is sensation or feeling, we use with. Now there is more use of with. Whenever we use a tool, then we use with. He killed him with a knife. With a knife. I wrote a letter with a pen. Pen is an tool. A knife is a tool with which he killed him. That pen is a tool with which he is writing the letter. Now, with can be used with possession also. I am inviting you with your family. With your family. Here, family is possessed with you. You should bring your family with you at the event. That here with is using like that. I want a home with garden. I am possession is the garden is my possession. So I using with.